This is the box of Scared 7 handheld metal detector, and I show you. Look this. So this is in the bubble packing, and here is the Scared 7. This is the Scared 7 handheld metal detector. So put this here, and I show you the inside the packing, and this is the instruction manual, as you can see. Look this. So I show you how it works and the feature and function of this. This is the detection area. Look this. This is the detection phase, and this one is for audio alert, and this is for the sensitivity adjustment, this one, and this is the handle, and here you can see again two switches here, and also this is for high-low sensitivity, and this one is for on off, and this is vibration and the audio mode switch here, and this is for the power jack, and also using if you are using inside this metal detector rechargeable battery, so this is rechargeable battery socket. This is this one, and this is the battery cover, and here if you can see here mention the direction of battery, positive negative, here on the battery cover, if you can see. Look this. So this is the hand strap or safety sling. So on this metal detector, push this switch to turn on this handheld metal detector, and this is on now this green LED is glowing now. Look this. As we close these screens, so this LED turns into red when detect any object. Look this. So this is the metal detector of Scared 7 handheld. So now I press this sensitivity switch and turns into low, and now check again. So this is not detecting the small coins now, as you can see. When I push this and turns the on high sensitivity, so now this is detecting these coins now. Look this. So this is the video of today, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos in the future, and keep in touch also. So keep watching our channel. Till next, Allah Hafiz.